Ciao Tesla people. So from yesterday that I mount the Halo station here on my screen from Haloblk. Today I got two new products actually, and they are for the center console. So I wanted to upgrade because Haloblk makes it premium products, and the quality is much better than what I have right now. So the two main products that I got today are a new cup holder here, and also I got the center console organizer tray. So let's do an unboxing and then we'll do the installation, which should be very easy. They always ship refreshener here for air refreshener for the car, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to leave in the description my discount code, which is Ciao Tesla, for 10% off if you want to check it out. And also, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot, even to bring new products and very innovative ones. So the cool thing about Haloblk is that they include the design of how they come up with these products and ideas. It's very unique and very cool. Very nice, I think. It's a very cool touch for the product. So this is the instruction. Okay. Well, there is much instruction to a cup holder, but and they show you this is made with food grade silicone, which is really cool. And I guess you can food grade silicone, and here are the instructions. And I guess you can put in the dishwasher to clean. And so this is the cup holder, and it's very cool. It looks much better than what I have right now. There is even okay, here there is some indent for putting the key card for your Tesla. Yeah, it's much better than what I have right now. So let's remove the one I have right now, which is right here. So I'm going to remove this one and place this guy, and it fits perfectly. I like the color, which is black, but it stands out, and it's very cool and very stylish. I guess you can put the card here for the key card. Love it. So let's remove this guy, and now let's go to the center console organizer tray. So this is for the box here. So you need to remove the one that you have, or if you don't have it, you just okay. Let's okay. Let me move this guy a second. Oh, I cannot move because I have the USB hub here that takes some space. Let's remove that too. Okay, and now let's remove this. Yep. So let's do the unboxing. So and then let's put it inside the console. Okay. So again, going to leave all the links about these two new products in the description. And again, here's the engineering design, which is really cool. I like it a lot. And there are a bunch of information here, of course, how to design it. And, for example, you can put your glasses here, and there is a notch here for the glasses and for other things. Really cool. Let's remove this guy, the instructions. And I guess, yeah, this is two-part tray. So let's check out the yeah. So it's a two-part tray. So there's a plastic, rigid plastic part that is underneath, and then there is a silicone one on top of it. So when it gets dirty, just remove it and clean it in a dishwasher, and you get back to, you know, to original state, I guess. It's really, really nice. Okay, so let's, so this is the tray, just some paper, and the packaging is great. It's like a Apple type of packaging. Okay, so this is the tray, and uh, so let's see, should be like that, yeah. Let me see if there is a notch. Yeah, it goes, yeah, it goes straight like that. Okay, so let's put it, the camera here. Okay, hopefully you see it. Okay, I have a bunch of stuff there, and the tray goes like that. Very cool, very nice. And as I told you here, let me remove the silicone part. Is a two section. One is a plastic rigid with the Haloblk logo, and this is made of silicone, and it's pretty heavy. So it's not you know, thin and can break. It feels like rubbery, but it's a silicone, food grade silicone, which is pretty cool. And here you put like glasses. Very, very nice. Yeah, so let's put it back in. That's it. And then now I have the USB hub, so I can put it back. And put it back the plugs. Okay, and let's see if it works. Yeah, and it has a notch for the cables for any USB hub that you might have. So they took care of that too, which is pretty cool. And that's it. So I need to just transfer a bunch of stuff in here, a bunch of cables, pen, some other things. That's for, okay. And I have a bunch of money. Another pen. Okay. And I have a bunch of money. Pretty cool. Yeah. And then you close it. And that's it. Very, very cool. And in any way, I mean, the installation is super simple. I love it a lot because the quality is premium. You can tell here again. This is the cup holder and the tray here. Very nice. Anyway, so I'm going to leave the links about both of this product in the description, and I'm going to leave the discount code for 10% off, which is Ciao Tesla. So check them out if you're interested. I think it's a good upgrade, and if you don't have it, it's a good buy. Please subscribe to the channel, put a like, a share, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.